My name's Webster. I'm a chartered accountant and I run an accountancy business based in Bromber on the Wirral called LBW Chartered Accountants. I left school at 16 to train as an accountant. I studied the AAT qualification, Association of Accounting Technicians. I subsequently continued those studies into the ACCA and then onto the Chartered Accountancy exams. Businesses need accountants in order to ensure that they are not only compliant with the laws and regulations stipulated by HMRC, insofar as making sure they pay the right tax for both their businesses and in a personal capacity. They need to identify whether or not they're able to take on an additional amount of work in their business, a whole host of reasons that you would require your accountant to give you that confidence that your business can take the next step. A management account becomes particularly important where you have a growth business and the directors and owners of the business are trying to make strategic plans around historic figures. The management accountant will use the historic information to assist in projecting where the business is going and enable the directors and owners to make decisions surrounding these financial figures. We train and recruit AAT students as we recognise that the AAT adds value to our business. Certain employees will choose to continue their studies onto chartered or certified. However, we recognise that certain employees are satisfied with the AAT qualification and simply wish to continue their practical experience within the firm, and we today are running a successful business with a large number of AAT qualified individuals who have been immensely supportive towards the growth of the business. The AAT qualification has allowed employees within my business to work in a number of areas, be it payroll, VAT, year-end accounts production, and within the tax department itself. As with any expertise, it's important that the individual who's providing advice has had sufficient exposure to a number of clients to gain that experience in the particular area that they're advising. Theory is one thing, but practical experience is another. When recruiting staff, the main quality we look for is personality. The individual will need to have demonstrated through study that they are diligent in respect of the work that they undertake and are accurate in the work they undertake. However, in the delivery of the service, it's imperative that the individual is able to communicate at the same level as the client and convey information in a non-technical manner. I find the most challenging part of being an accountant is probably similar to other businesses insofar as we need to adapt to change. The accountancy profession is notoriously complex for tax legislation and changes to this legislation every year, and it is imperative that we continue to stay up to date in these areas in order to both retain clients and win new business. The most rewarding part about being an accountant is helping people, and in respect of helping people, receiving the feedback from clients that you've provided them with some element of comfort when they may have required that comfort, or confidence. They may have come into a meeting unsure of something and they've gone away feeling completely confident about their next move within their business. That's definitely the most rewarding thing for me about being an accountant, and is the reason why I continue to be an accountant today.